Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are talking about sickness and health. How we can explain when we see a sick person for the first time. So, let us learn. What is wrong with you? Maltu si argate. Maltu si argate. What happened to you? Maltu si ibe. Maltu si ibe. Are you okay? Nagada. Nagada. What is the matter with you? Mali. Nagamiti. Mali. Nagamiti. How are you feeling today? Harra maltu siti aga amia. Harra maltu siti aga ama. Then when the patient tells you his problem as follows. I don't feel well this time. Kesiko faya miti. Kesiko faya miti. I have got a serious headache. Mata ukubi hamatu nakabe. Mata ukubi hamatu nakabe. I have got a pain in my back. Dugda nakuta. Dugda nakuta. I feel weak. Na dat of sisa. Na dat of sisa. I feel cold. Na kodri sisa. Na kodri sisa. I feel hot. Na guba. Na guba. I have got a stomach ache. Gara natinina. Gara natinina. I have got a high fever. Agna naguba. Agna naguba. Then after you say, oh, I am sorry to hear that. Oh, bain gada. Oh, bain gada. Next, you try to ask more about his or her illness and try to comfort him or her depart by saying, I wish you a speedy recovery. Aka ati dafte faytun hawa. Aka ati dafte faytun hawa. I hope you get well again soon. Aka ati dafte faytu nan abdata. Aka ati dafte faytu nan abdata. The patient responds, thank you, galatomy. And now when you need treatment, conversation. Please help me. Malo nagargari. Malo nagargari. I need treatment. Walansa na barbatisa. Walansa na barbatisa. I am injured. Midame jira. Midame jira. Where does it hurt? Esa sit ukuba. Esa sit ukuba. Are you on medication? Oricha ni fudata. Oricha ni fudata. Yes, I am on medication. Eye oricha fudatan jira. Eye oricha fudatan jira. I have been vomiting. Na babalakam sisa. Na babalakam sisa. Na babalakam sisa. Caring for the sick. Should I call a doctor? Hakimi Sifwamu. Hakimi Sifwamu. Should I call for the nurse? Nursi Sifwamu. Nursi Sifwamu. The other one is asking a doctor about problem. It is serious? Is it serious? Akami Hamada. Akami Hamada. Is it treatable? Fayu Danda'a. Fayu Danda'a. Do I have to stay here? One Native Suda. One Native Suda. Allergic problems with nose and breathing. My nose is clogged. Funyan Natukala. Funyan Natukala. My sinuses are bothering me. Sinasi Kotu Najeka Jira. Sinasi Kotu Najeka Jira. For the last topic is explaining your health is improving. I'm getting better. Nati foya'a jira. Nati foya'a jira. I'm on the road to recovery. Dandamatan jira. Dandamatan jira. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Bye.